Hello and welcome back. Now we have a presentation imported successfully as we have seen in the previous video. Similar to the PowerPoint, you can add transitions on the slide. Note that it is applied whole slide, not for any specific component. Okay, let's add some animations now. Suppose I want to show an example after explaining the syntax. So I will select these two components and then drag the timeline. You can adjust this according to your audio. Now you can see example is appearing after 2 seconds. Let's add some effect now. Again select these two components, then go to the animations. I am going to add float in effect and the effect option is float up for entrance. Then again float out effect and effect option is float out for exit. Let's preview the slide. That's cool. Similarly, you can add different effects. Let's export this video now. Exporting video is pretty simple. Go to the export tab, then click on the video. You can change the format and select the destination path. Then click OK. Okay, we have successfully exported our video. In the next video, we will see how to add screen recording between the slides. If you have any queries, let us know in the comment. Otherwise, see you soon in the next video.